Welcome back to part 3, where I'll be showing you how to decorate mermaid tails. Start by outlining and flooding with flooding consistency this first section. For more information on my icing consistencies, check out my How to Make Royal Icing video. Using a stencil and airbrush, you can airbrush the scales on. If you do not want to use an airbrush, you can always just pipe the scales individually with a detail consistency icing instead. Using a tipless piping bag, cut it in a V shape as shown here. Use a floral consistency icing and move your hand in and out as you push the icing out to create ridges on the tail. Let the first section dry long enough to form a crust so that when you pipe the second part of the tail, they are two distinct sections and they don't start to melt together. Thank you for watching and keep an eye out for part 4.